when we did our first session, and I would say, dwi newydd dechrau dysgu Cymraeg.
Da iawn.
That's what I would say.
Yeah.
And then everyone would go, oh, da iawn.
Yeah.
And then I'd have nothing else.
Yeah.
Then they'd say something else and I'd go, diolch. And then that'd be it.
It's been a few weeks now.
Am biti mis?
Am biti mis? Yeah. So how are you feeling?
I'm okay. Dwi'n nervous.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But I enjoy it. I'm really enjoying it. Dwi'n joio.
Brilliant.
Dwi'n joio ymarfer.
You see, it's really unusual to have somebody starting to use their Welsh this early. Normally, I'd have to put a bit of pressure on to bring somebody through into beginning to use it. So I'm liking that confidence. You've been hammering away. You haven't had any long conversations with anybody in Welsh yet.
No.
So what we're going to do today is just do a little sort of 1 or 2 minutes in Welsh. So I just want to give you a little bit of time without any English at all, just for you to start to see what the brain will do.
Great.
We want to find those moments where you get stuck.
Okay, great.
That's where the growth is.
Great.
So when you get stuck and I just sit with it, I'm not being really nasty. I'm actually being counterintuitively supportive.
Great, great, great.
So nawr, da ni'n dechrau siarad Cymraeg.
Da iawn.
Sut wyt ti'n teimlo?
Athe ti dweud eto...
Gallaf, ie. Yeah. Sut wyt ti'n teimlo? Ti'n gwybod teimlo? Teimlo'n hapus, teimlo'n drist.
O, dda iawn.
Ti'n teimlo'n dda iawn?
Ti'n
teimlo.
Ti'n teimlo dda iawn?
Ie.
I ti?
Ie, dwi'n teimlo dda iawn. Diolch yn fawr. Da. Da. Beth arall wyt ti'n gallu dweud yn y Gymraeg?
Yn Gymraeg? Wethu fi siarad Cymraeg?
O, ie, da iawn.
Dwi wedi bod yn dysgu am fis nawr, ac dwi'n joio trio cyfle siarad Cymraeg gyda fi.
Gyda fi? Neu
gyda ti? Gyda ti.
Ie, perffaith.
Ac y mae'n ddiddorol.
Gwych.
Wyt ti'n moyn coffi?
Ww.
Coffi yn Cymraeg. Oes coffi?
Oes coffi?
Is coffi?
Ie, ydy coffi. Ie, coffi ydy coffi, ti'n iawn. Gwych. Ti'n siarad Cymraeg? Da iawn, da iawn ti. Dechrau da iawn. O, dwi'n teimlo'n hapus iawn nawr.
Hapus iawn nawr,
Ie. Dwi moyn dweud diolch i ti, achos ti wedi gweithio yn dda iawn.
O, diolch. Diolch yn fawr.
A ti'n deall yn dda.
Ti'n deall?
Deall?
Understand?
Ie, da iawn.
Wow.
Gwych.
Did we say anything? Did I say anything that made sense?
Flown like that. Well, I mean, only all of it. You know, it becomes quite an emotional experience. You know, we met you here about 6 weeks ago for your first day learning Welsh, and we saw you at a time when you had maybe 3 or 4 words in Welsh. And now you're maintaining a conversation in Welsh. 6 weeks down the line, it's pretty exciting stuff.
Right.
But it's quite remarkable what you've done.
Diolch yn fawr.